Alright, so welcome back to my tutorial videos. And so what we're doing today is we're factoring. So please take some notes. Please pause the video if you need to watch it again. Please pause it if it's going too fast, but go ahead, please write factoring. This is the first time I record with my fourth period, so they're being a little bit shy. Alright, so I am factoring. Let me pause this because Meg. Okay, so going back to the video, I am factoring today. So they're going to give you a quadratic function. So maybe something like, what's something we haven't done? So, let's do 7x plus 12 plus x squared. So we talked about this yesterday. The first step to this is to label A, B, and C. You need to know what A, B, and C are. So here's what we do. A is the one that has x squared. So when we have x squared, we circle this. When it has x, we squiggly. And it doesn't have x, we underline. So 7x, I'm going to call in a couple students in my class. Ali, looks like he's having so much fun. 7x, do I circle, squiggly, underline?
Circle. Mr. Squiggly.
Okay, what'd you say, Ali? What do I do?
Squiggly. Which one?
7x.
Oh.
X squared, do I circle, squiggly, or underline? Squiggly. Alright? So, what is my A, Muhammad?
Your A is underline.
No.
Oh, the A.
Alright,
A. Circle.
wait, let's go back. Okay, 12. Waleed, circle, squiggly, underline.
Underline.
Underline because it doesn't have an X. X squared, David, circle, squiggly, underline. Circle because it's X squared. Now, I got to fill in my A, my B, my C. You got to do this every single time. Alright? Varia, what would you say my A is? Which one did I circle? How many are there?
One.
There's one of them. Alright? B, X's. How many X's, Neil?
Seven.
Alright, lots of Neils. So tell me 7. C, this is the one I underlined. Elenoti, which one did I underline? 12, so then my C is 12. Perfect. Alright, that's the first part. That's the first step. And notice that I put a number 1 next to it, so you would know what you have to do first. Now, I'm in here with the class. Let me see if somebody can tell me what's my second step. ABC? Maggie?
You have to divide the number of C.
Yes, I got to make my list of factors. Now, how do we do this? We're using the calculator. We're going to graphs.
This, do you see the bar?
And we're putting y equals. Oh no, it's blurry. Thank you, Ali.
I said
Alright. We make a list of factors. We put into the graphs. Y equals. We put in C divided by X. In this case, my C is 12. So in the calculator, I put in 12 divided by X.
Don't you have to make the thingy first?
What thingy?
Make them like. Never mind.
Alright. Everybody there?
Yes, we are.
Alright.
There.
No, Miss, wait. I know.
Shh, Miss, I didn't copy.
Maggie? Can you sit where Varia used to sit so I can keep an eye on your hand activity?
No,
Alright.
sit right there.
So now, go get your calculator, go to new document. Now, if you can make a list without the of factors without the calculator, do that. But if you're not so sure, use the calculator. Go to graphs. Number 2, graphs. Number 2, graphs.
Number 2.
And you're going to type in 12 divided by. So there's divide. Then divide. Here's divide. Now, you want to divide by X. This is not X. This is multiply. So you're going to use this one here for X. Alright? So this is what it looks like. I'm going to press enter so you can see the graph. Alright, I'm going to pause. Make sure you have this. I'm going to check on my class to see that they have it.
Todo está bien, Miss.
What about yours, Amanda? Let me see. Can you go get a new calculator? If yours is kind of gray and it doesn't pull up, just go get a new calculator. No problem.
Just give me another line.
Alright, so now we gotta make our table because the whole point is to make a list. Maria, can you check on him in just a minute to make sure he has it? Now, to make the table, you're gonna press Control, that's the yellow,
T.
and then Control T. So there's the letter T over there. It's just like the alphabet.
Not.
You're gonna make a table.
With me?
Alright, so there's your list. Now, when you look at this list, step 3 is you make a table. Now, when you look at the table, alright? Matt, can you come here so I can check on you? Come here. Alright, you look at the table. You have a table in your calculator. Now, step 4 is pretty much the last step. Can you type in the equation 12 divided by x? Alright, when you look at the, no, stay here, make sure that you get it, because you weren't doing this
No,
yesterday,
you
you're not doing it today.
Alright.
Alright, 12 divided by x.
يساوي.
I meant, when you have your table, these are the factors. These are the factors that multiply to give you C. You're looking for two numbers that when you add them, alright, this is step 4, you have to add those, and the answer has to equal to B. Whatever this B is, for me in this problem, it's 7. You have to add these numbers on the table, on your table, and they have to add to give you the B. In this case, the B is 7. When you get those, then those are your factors.
So I have to look.
So, first one, 1 plus 12, Zubaydah, 1 plus 12 is 13. 1 plus 12 is 13, which is not 7, right? So that's not the factors. Next one, 2 and 6. What haven't I called on? Asra, 2 and 6.
8.
2 plus 6,
12.
8. And so that's not 7. The next one,
Yes,
3
it's-
plus 4
it's-
is 7. So my factors are 3 and 4, because 3 plus 4 is 7. So here's how I write my answer. Alright, you can think about this as, I don't know,
Number 5.
x, not really, x plus 3 and x plus 4. Those are my factors. Alright, so now those are your factors.
Yeah.
Alright, here's an example. Please watch it again if you need to watch it again.